At me like that. You got this look on your face. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Financial Literacy 101. And I just wanted to reiterate, when you guys are filing your taxes, that if you receive any of the three stimulus checks, they will subtract that from your refund. Now, if you fail to have your CPA or your tax professional, they're going to ask you, have you received the stimulus checks? And some of you may lie, but let me tell you, the IRS, right after all the filing is done and they send out all the money, they're going to do mass audits on people. And for those people who lied, you are going to be stripped from the funds that you receive from that stimulus money, as well as any penalty fees that they may charge on because of that incorrect filing of your taxes. Me personally, I didn't receive my full refund, and me and my tax professional are going through the paperwork to make sure, because I haven't received, any stimulus. So essentially, I'm like, what's the case here? Again, you can have improper filing as far as a number was missed on their side. Someone didn't type in the right number. You got the wrong refund. So you got to go through all this paperwork and make sure you get your correct filing status so you get the correct refund. But I just want to make sure that people are very, very aware that they're going to take the stimulus out of your taxes. Okay, they're taking the stimulus out of your taxes. So take, for instance, you're a single person and you receive the first stimulus of $1,200, the second at $600. So we're around $1,800. Then the last one is $1,400. That brings us around the $2,800. So if you're not filing that within your taxes, then they're going to come and get that money later on. The only question that I have, has anyone filed their taxes, reported their taxes correctly, and with that $2,800, they say that you owe taxes? That is the information that I have yet to find out. So if any of you guys have that information, please let me know. If any of you guys file your taxes, you receive all three stimulus payments, and usually you get somewhat of a refund, but this time you actually owe the federal government money because they essentially gave you a loan. The stimulus checks are just a loan. Because if there was money grants, then you wouldn't have to pay it back. As a matter of fact, if there were money grants, you wouldn't even have to file it. But since there are not, you have to file it, thus them taken out of your taxes. Now, the only plus side to this, I guess, if you didn't qualify for the stimulus check last year, but now this year you do, and you already filed your taxes, then that third stimulus of $1,400 may be coming to you. But then again, they may take that out of your 2021 tax return. I just want to let you guys know, please do the right thing, because when it comes to this corporation of America and one of their branches of the government, the IRS, they don't kid around. They don't joke around. They take your houses, they take your assets, they take your retirement money in order to get paid. Because everything that you do is essentially tied to some sort of number that reports back to the IRS, regardless if you're filing your taxes or not. This is just the truth. So when you're filing your taxes, if you haven't already done so, if you receive this stimulus money, please report, and your CPA will know exactly where to put it, that you received the stimulus money. This is Financial Literacy 101. Learn money and pay your damn taxes. I'm out.